Number 1. Automatic Cleaning and Disinfection Dispenser. Let's kick things off with a gadget that feels straight out of sci-fi, but it's 100% real today. The Automatic Cleaning and Disinfection Dispenser can make everyday items like jewelry, glasses, watches, or even your phone sparkling clean in seconds. No effort required. Whew. Imagine placing something in and a minute later it comes out spotless, dry, and free of fingerprints. But here's where the real business magic happens. High-traffic areas. Think malls, hospitals, airports, or transit stations. Every person who witnesses their items transformed instantly becomes a walking advertisement. Yeah, free marketing right there. Beyond convenience, this technology positions your business as innovative, reliable, and customer-focused. So, tell me, can you already see how this could draw crowds? Number 2. Sundor Laser Cleaning System. Now, if you want to merge cutting-edge tech with profitable business opportunities, the Sundor Laser Cleaning Machine is a total game-changer. It removes rust, old paint, soot, and other residues with pinpoint precision all in seconds without harming the surface. Its compact design lets you bring the service directly to your clients. Think auto shops, construction sites, industrial spaces, or even mobile street services. The marketing potential? Huge! Recording dramatic before and after transformations for social media can go viral in days, attracting thousands of interactions and potential clients. Starting at around $4,000, this investment can generate steady revenue if you pair technological efficiency with smart, attention-grabbing digital content. Hey, could you picture your business trending online in a week? Number 3. PET Bottle Manufacturing Machine. Every bottle you see in stores, whether water, juice, detergent, or oil, starts with a fundamental element: the PET container. This machine allows you to produce them yourself, generating a constant income stream and even customizing bottles for local brands, startups, or your own products. The business opportunities are endless, from wholesale packaging sales to custom bottles for events, corporate gifts, or personal product lines. Import prices start at $3,500. Making it accessible for entrepreneurs with no prior experience. You only need stable electricity, adequate space, and access to preforms, which can be sourced locally or imported. The machine can produce hundreds of bottles per hour, ensuring efficiency and high productivity. Production costs range from 5 to 10 cents per bottle, while wholesale selling prices hover between 30 and 50 cents, depending on size and design. This creates substantial profit margins which multiply if you bottle your own products, offer customization, or sell to other businesses. Thought that was impressive? Wait for the next machine. It takes creativity to a whole new level, turning stone into professional-grade art right in your workshop. Number 4. Waffle and Waffle-Cup Machine. Looking for a business that wins over both taste buds and Instagram feeds? This one is a showstopper. With this machine, you can whip up traditional waffles, or the real star, waffle cups. These edible bowls are the perfect blank canvas. The process is simple. Pour the batter, close the mold, and a few minutes later, you've got a hollow waffle cup ready to fill. And here's where the magic happens. Fruit, ice cream, whipped cream, chocolate, even savory fillings. The possibilities are endless. Each creation isn't just a treat, it's a marketing magnet, perfect for social media where visuals are just as powerful as flavor. Machines start at around $30 and the profit margins are insane. Sell each creation for up to $5 and producing 30 to 50 a day can land you $1,500 plus a month. Low investment, high reward. Food trucks, delivery, or local fairs, this is a product that practically goes viral by itself. And if you thought the sweet train stops here, oh no. Next up is a global superstar. Number 5. Sawdust briquette production machine. Did you know that wood scraps, often discarded as waste, can actually become a steady source of income? With a sawdust briquette machine, what was once trash transforms into an eco-friendly, high-demand, and highly profitable product. This compact, efficient machine processes sawdust from carpentry shops, sawmills, furniture workshops, or even household scraps, compressing it into solid briquettes that serve as fuel for fireplaces, stoves, industrial boilers, or even small-scale energy generation. The beauty of this business is its sustainability. More households and companies are looking for green alternatives, making demand increasingly strong. Operating the machine is simple. Feed it dry, shredded sawdust, and high-pressure compression turns it into solid briquettes. No adhesives or chemicals required. Importing one from China costs around $1,500, an accessible investment for any aspiring entrepreneur. Selling price? About $180 to $200 per ton, depending on local demand. Many entrepreneurs easily generate $1,000 to $2,000 monthly, especially with easy access to wood waste. Plus, you can sell locally through stores, distributors, or online platforms, highlighting efficiency, low cost, and eco-value. Profitable, home-based, and environmentally responsible. A triple win. And if you love fragrances and are ready to turn passion into profit, hold on. The next machine transforms natural scents into globally marketable products, fusing tradition with entrepreneurship. Number 6. Incense manufacturing machine. The aroma of incense is almost hypnotic, relaxing, spiritual, deeply sensory. Imagine capitalizing on that experience and turning it into a profitable home business. With an incense production machine, you can automatically make sticks or cones, blending tradition, wellness, and modern entrepreneurship. Importing from China costs around $2,000. The machine automates the process using natural ingredients, resins, essential oils, aromatic wood, and spices. Just load the ingredients, select the mold, and activate. In minutes, you get uniform, ready-to-pack incense without prior experience. Profit potential? A pack of 20 sticks can sell for $3 to $7, depending on scent and presentation. Producing just 500 packs per month could generate over $1,500. If you focus on packaging and sell via international platforms like Etsy or Amazon Handmade, your business could reach a global audience seeking meditation, relaxation, aromatherapy, and sensory experiences. This machine isn't just about making money, it allows you to build your own holistic or aromatherapy brand, blending creativity, tradition, and sustainability. Number 7. The trash bag making machine. Pause for a second and think, what product does every household, shop, and business use daily, no matter the season? Exactly, trash bags. And here's the kicker, with the right machine, you can turn this everyday necessity into a stable business with guaranteed sales and steady growth. This machine converts rolls of polyethylene into ready-to-use bags for home, commercial, or even industrial use. The process is fully automated. Load the plastic roll, set your desired size, and the machine handles everything: cutting, sealing, and stacking. You just watch as perfect bags roll out, ready for sale. Yeah! And here's where creativity kicks in. You're not limited to classic black bags. Make colorful bags, or better yet, eco-friendly recycled versions, a growing trend in today's market. Investment starts around $5,000 for a fully automatic model, available on Alibaba, AliExpress, or made in China. Many suppliers even offer shipping and support to your country. On a tighter budget, Semi-automatic machines are perfect for starting a small workshop or garage operation. Profit? Here's the sweet part. Producing 1 kilo of bags costs 60 cents to 80 cents, and that same kilo can sell for $1.20 to $1.80. Whew, almost to 100% margin. Just 20 kilos per day could bring in $800 to $1,000 per month. You don't need a big brand to get started. From day one, sell to hardware stores, fruit markets, local shops, cleaning companies, or any business with constant bag usage. And if you want to go further, personalized bags with logos are a hot trend, attracting entrepreneurs looking for distinctive packaging. In short, it's a business model with moderate startup costs, easy operations, and a reliable revenue stream. A simple product turned into a solid income. Number 8. The metal punch and shear machine. Now let's shift gears to something more robust. Imagine having a machine in your workshop that's compact yet packs the power of an entire factory. That's the metal punch and shear, a tool that can make your business profitable from day one. This machine combines two functions in one: punching, creating holes and special cuts with precision, and shearing, allowing clean, straight, and fast cuts on various metals. We're talking steel, aluminum, iron, or brass, all worked with incredible accuracy. What can you make with it? The possibilities are huge. Decorative grills, ornamental pieces, industrial supports, custom hinges, lightweight metal structures, even components for construction projects. That's why locksmiths, metal carpentry workshops, and contractors value it so highly. Basic models use manual pedals for precision, while modern versions have hydraulic systems that boost productivity. No need for a huge workshop, they run on standard electricity and fit into adapted home spaces. Investment starts around $800, depending on size and features. Available on Amazon, eBay, or through local distributors with support and warranty included. Profit? Here's where it gets exciting. A simple metal bracket costs 20 to 40 cents in materials and can sell for $1.50 to $3. Wide margins, consistent demand. With regular orders from hardware stores, construction firms, or workshops, you could easily exceed $1,200 per month, even working part-time. In short, the metal punch and shear isn't just a tool, it's a shortcut to a profitable, practical business with guaranteed demand. No employees needed, no prior experience required, just a dedicated space and the drive to turn metal into money. Number 9. Pizza oven. Pizza doesn't need an introduction. It's the universal food that always sells. And with a compact oven, you can turn your kitchen into a profitable pizzeria with ease. These electric ovens, priced between $85 and $700, hit the perfect temperature to bake crusts that are crispy on the outside and soft on the inside in just 5 to 7 minutes. They're compact, user-friendly, and ideal for home delivery or small events. The numbers speak for themselves. Making a pizza costs around $2, but you can sell it for $6 to $10. Producing 10 to 15 pizzas per hour, that's $120 to $200 in daily income, depending on demand. The creative potential is endless. Themed pizzas, vegetarian options, gourmet toppings, stuffed crusts, exotic ingredients. You're not just selling food, you're selling experiences. And a pizza oven isn't just an expense, it's an open door to fast, sustainable income. But if you thought pizza was unbeatable, hold tight. The next one fills the air with the most irresistible smell in the world: freshly baked bread. Number 10. Bread making machine. Close your eyes for a second. Imagine your kitchen filled with the aroma of fresh bread. Now open them and think about how profitable it could be to sell that experience every single day. That's what a bread machine allows, turning basic ingredients into a product no household can live without. The entry cost is super friendly. Starting at just $69, you can get a machine that mixes, kneads, ferments, and bakes without you lifting a finger. All you do is add ingredients, pick a program, and let it work. Here's the math. A medium loaf costs about 70 cents to make, but you can sell it for $3 to $4, even higher if you offer whole grain, gluten-free, or artisanal varieties. Producing 15 to 20 loaves a day brings in $45 to $80. And the best part? Recurring sales. Offer weekly subscriptions with scheduled deliveries and you lock in steady customers. Simple, accessible, and in high demand. An ideal business to launch from home. And if bread feeds the body, the next idea refreshes the soul on hot days. Number 11. Slush or frozen drink machine. When summer hits, few things grab attention like a big, colorful slush. This machine, also known as a slushy maker, turns heat into quick profits. The process is fascinating. It chills flavored liquid while constantly stirring, creating that icy, granular texture everyone loves. Offer classics like lemon, strawberry, or mango, or innovate with passion fruit, coffee, even energy drink versions for teens and adults. Here's the kicker. Each cup costs only 30 cents to make, but sells for $1.50 to $2.50. Selling 40 to 60 cups daily means $120 to $150 in daily revenue. Machines range from $280 to $1,200 depending on size, but the payback is fast and reliable. Versatility is its strength. Fairs, sports events, outside schools, even home delivery. A slushie isn't just a drink, it's instant relief from the heat, and that means constant sales. And what's coming next? Oh, it's a double punch. First, it hooks you with the smell, and then it seals the deal with flavor. Number 12. Industrial corn tortilla maker. Across Latin America, corn tortillas aren't just food. They're heritage, identity, and culture wrapped in every bite. Now, what if you could take that centuries-old tradition and flip it into a thriving business right from your own kitchen? Yeah, that's exactly what modern tortilla machines make possible. This isn't just a gadget. It's a bridge between tradition and opportunity. Place the dough inside, and within seconds, the press, rollers, and heated plates handle the rest, delivering hot, ready-to-sell tortillas. From manual models that keep the artisanal touch to high-tech electric machines pumping out hundreds per hour, there's an option for every budget. Initial investment? From around $350 for basic versions up to $7,000 plus for full industrial setups. Output? A sizzling 300 to 500 tortillas per hour. Now let's talk numbers. Packaged in sets of 10 and sold at $1.50 each, the profit margins are huge, especially since each tortilla costs just pennies to produce. And selling is easy. Home delivery, farmers markets, supplying restaurants, or even setting up a mini point of sale in your own kitchen. With tortillas being a staple food, demand never dries dry. Think about it. Low logistics, high turnover, and a product people buy every single day. That's solid business. But wait, just when you thought corn had given us everything, the next machine takes us into the crispy world of modern snacking.